Three of the biggest trends of our lifetime in tech are AI, cybersecurity, and open source software consumption. With AI, people are able to do in quarters what used to take decades.
I think agentic AI, especially when it comes to code assistance, is really proving quite valuable in taking care of a lot of the tasks, a lot of the chores, and allowing the developers to really embrace what we all love the most, which is creativity.
We've talked about how the market is moving faster than it ever has with the rise of AI and generative AI. Well, we're excited to be bringing a set of tools to guide the development process, and it's actually called Guide, to help developers safely and productively use open source as part of an AI-powered SDLC.
We have an MCP implementation that customers can use any GCA of their choice, but get much further security benefits while approaching Gen AI.
What's interesting is that AI and AI agents, you give them the root prompts and more or less they just do what they're told, right? So as these things scale up, I think the introduction of the MCP, the model context protocols that allow new knowledge to be injected into AI and AI agents is a really powerful development. Looking forward, I can see that basically every capability that software engineering has created over the last 5 decades to make developers better. So from syntax checkers to the compilers to software composition analysis to unit test validation, to SAST and you name it, all of the technologies that exist in the modern lifecycle, I think all of those are going to adapt to expose their capabilities to AI agents using the MCP protocol. And so when these tools are all able to be plugged in and they can be the AI can be taught to use them by default, I think you can get some harmony at scale that we've never been able to achieve before.
As customers start to adopt agentic AI IDE tooling, I think one of the key things is those tooling ultimately want to integrate with their existing software, right? MCP is going to be that lingua franca that allows customers to talk to their existing applications. I think what Sonatype's doing with their MCP server product is a great fit with Kira, which is our agentic AI IDE tool. I think the key value here is shifting left. So when customers start to adopt and see those major gains of code reviews, they'll also see the ability to fact check those repositories across using Sonatype Firewall right in the IDE before any code's committed to their pipeline.
It's like adding an ultra senior engineer that knows exactly what open source versions are out there right now, how to use them best, how to leverage the latest features without having to worry about the knowledge cutoff date of the underlying LLM model itself. That's a huge game changer because it really unlocks the ability for you to innovate faster, try new things as soon as they're released by the open source projects themselves.
So I think the productivity gains, the consistency gains, the governance gains that will come out of that is actually pretty profound. So I think in this particular area, I think the developments here are really going to help a lot of the challenges we've been dealing with for a very long time.
We're excited about continuing to lead the industry on ensuring that malware never, ever gets into any of our customers' environments.